What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're here today with another vlog style video. Basically it's gonna be like an update video and also about what I'm gonna do throughout the day, which I don't know what I'm doing yet. Just I do know I'm gonna do my typical thing on Monday, which we're gonna go to IHOP. Gonna go out to eat and spend time with my daughter. We're gonna have some fun, and then we're gonna walk around the Accord and what I've done already with the Accord and what I have planned and what is to come, and so on and so on. But thanks for the 500 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you. This may be something so small to a lot of people, but to me it means a lot, and I appreciate every single one of you, and I just can't wait to go to the next level. So let me show you my beautiful princess. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. You want to say the camera? You want to say hi to the camera? Huh? Hey? What's that?
Your other daughter.
Oh, great. What's up? Okay. Look at that princess. So beautiful. But anyways, let's get this video started and let's go downstairs. That beautiful IHOP. And look, a Puerto Rican guy with a charger. First I see that. Well, never mind, Ruben has one. Fake Puerto Rican though. So just like that, we're done with IHOP. Got a beautiful Princess Brook in the back. So we're gonna be on our way in a minute to my mom's house real quick. Go visit my brothers and sisters, and then from there, hopefully, I get a couple other things I gotta do, and then hopefully we get the car washed, and then that way I could continue to this. What this video and the purpose of this video is about is the update. So yeah, hopefully we get that done quickly. Alright, first things first. So I'm driving right now. But first things first, bro, not to tell you the truth, man, I need to get a haircut, bro. Look at this shit. I look like freaking Grease from, you know what I'm saying? The Grease Nick, John Travolta, Grease. The hairstyle, man. I'm woofing, bro. Man, what the hell? What is that? Damn. Damn, my bad. The screen was there. Oh shit! What the fuck? Holy shit. See how see what happened? I cracked on John Travolta and Grease so much that he just gave me a free haircut, nigga. Like that. Instantly. Should look good as hell. Damn. They look real fresh. Now I just gotta shave my mustache, my beard, on the sides, and I'm fresh. Look good. Alright, so now that's one thing out of the way. Now let's go and visit the family real quick. Alright. Making my way downtown, all around. So playing that white chick shit. Make my own shit. Let's go see what they're doing real quick. Uh oh, I think I see somebody. Oh. Oh, there you is. Look at the girl right there. Look at it. Damn, girl. What's up? What the fuck? They got condoms here? Holy shit. Damn. What's up, girl? Look at that pretty ass girl. Damn. You sexy, girl. Shit. Oh, let's go over there. Say hi. Let's say hi on the camera. Camera can't see you right now, right? You're too black. Alright? You gotta go over there in the light.
You have to tell him.
Alright, there we go. Say what's up. Say what's up. Say what's up, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Say what's up.
Hi.
So we got 500 subscribers, bro.
YouTube.
Yeah, give me 5, bro. Come on, give YouTube a 5. Go like this. Soft. There you go. Found it. Found it. Look at the princess right here.
So awake?
Look at that fat ass. Nah. What's the stinky boy?
Where are you thinking at?
Damn, what the fuck happened here?
Why aren't you moving?
Shit. Damn, you cooking, girl? Shit, I didn't know you cook. Damn. Now, you know, I'm waiting for my, coffee. Jay has to make it. There he is. Oh shit. Let's leave him alone, man. He has puberty. We gotta leave him alone. But that's everybody though, shit. Everybody's here, everybody's chilling. Probably gonna get some coffee real quick and then do whatever. Yeah, you don't know how to cook, girl? Shit, she lying. She thinks she wish she could, but she can't cook and shit. But anyways, I'm out. Look at that. Finally got my coffee, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Limited edition coffee right here, nigga. Shit. What you talking about? Oh, we about to bounce. Say bye.
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 Bye. Bye, you too.
Say bye.
Bye, you too. Peace out.
Just like that, we out. Out here pushing them new Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. You know, it's red and black. You know what I'm saying? Got the new whip. Look at that sexy one right there. Oh, yeah.
Guys, what do you think I saw today?
Look what we picked up. Yeah. Hitchhiker. Look at that. Say what's up, hitchhiker?
What's up, Joe?
What's up?
Makeup.
She's like a stripper.
Whatever, bro. Oh,
That's my mom, by the way. This is like a stripper.
yeah, I was making some money that made
Yeah, in the corner.
$2,000 in the
I had to
corner.
pick her up. I'm a pimp.
Sip app.
I pimp her ass.
How's my princess? I didn't get to see her today.
What the fuck you doing?
Huh?
Oh my god.
You got tinted with it, right?
Anyways, see what I gotta deal with, y'all? Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get home. So now we back home. I'm gonna do a complete walk around of the car. So let's get started with the outside, which is pretty much stock, besides what I have in the rear, which you guys see. I haven't cleaned the car, so don't mind the dirt, my bad. Didn't have time to clean it today, sadly. I only have one day off. I try to do what I can in one day, and I have a lot to do. So yeah, this is the outside of the car. It's pretty much stock front for now, at least. I'll talk about what I'm gonna do later on after I show the walk around. So for the front, nothing. The hood is open right now, that's why I like that. Rims are the stock. That ride height is stock. I just have tinted window. So in the rear, what I have is custom tips done. As you can see, it gives it a car a unique look compared to all the other Accords, especially over here. There's like fucking 20 of them. So here, boom, that's the custom exhaust that they did. Dual exhaust. Looks really good. In my opinion, that's one of my favorite mods already. For the engine bay, what I have so far is I have the PRL intake, and then I have a eBay mass airflow adapter that allows me to use the cone. The reason I have the stock air box is so when air goes in through here, goes into that air box and then flows right there, and then the intake will get air, and it also gives you sound too, so it's good. Over here we have the .PRL downpipe that I don't think you guys can see it. Yeah, you probably guys can't really see it. It's just that gold whatever. That's the PRL downpipe. That's the street version. That's what gives it that rumble and pops and shit that you will want in the car. And then for the interior, this is probably the last thing I did so far, is, well, actually I did two things for the interior. Is one is I just did this recently, is the bride shift boot with the JDM shift knob. I don't know why the camera can't focus on that, but yeah. And the bride. I don't know if you guys can see it that much. The camera can't really focus so much. Yeah, but I see the B around there. So there's a bride shift boot, shift knob. This is one of my favorite models, bro. It makes the car look so fucking different, and it feels way better when you're throwing shifts. And then I also have in here, I haven't put it up yet, the Ktuner V2, which I'm planning on probably putting it over here in the corner over there or something. I haven't got the mounting thing. I'm disappointed that Ktuner doesn't have a mounting thing for your car, like a fucking like that for the GoPro, for example. I have that. I'm surprised they didn't come with that with the, you know, with the package. I'm kind of disappointed that you have to fucking make your own or buy your own freaking plate just to hold it. But besides that, that's only two mods that I did inside. But we're gonna talk right now on what I have planned for this car next, and it's gonna make the exterior look phenomenal. So now that we got all those parts out the way, what I want to talk to you guys about is basically what I'm gonna be, what's the, besides the updates I just showed you guys how the car is sitting right now. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the plans for this build, because I am still going for that world record Accord, at least in my area, and it's the 1.5 6-speed manual. If you have an automatic, you don't count. I ain't talking about you. You have a manual, you have a 1.5 turbo sport 2018, then we talking, you know what I'm saying? But if you don't have a manual or 1.5T, you have a 2.0, you don't count, man. Those two things are two different categories. 2.0 and 1.5 different categories, and manual and automatic. So basically, plan on trying to make the world record of the 1.5T manual, hopefully the fastest, at least in my state for now. Hopefully get to, like, I want to get to like 300 horsepower at least to the wheels. I'll be happy as hell. I know I could do it, but it's gonna take a little bit of time. So you guys gotta be patient with me. Just enjoy the videos that I'm gonna be able to put out. I've been putting out lately just to give you a quick, you know, like a little quick rundown. I've been having my GoPro here, obviously flipped in reverse, and recording, you know, if I race somebody or if I'm just doing pools or whatever. I might change that mounting point and putting it somewhere over here or somewhere, or outside. I might make my own bracket, and basically like a stick, so it could stick out the window like here. It has to be somewhere I could reach it, because it's gonna be annoying if I have to get out the car, you know, freaking stick that, and then I'm scared also that this shit gonna fall out if I stick it outside in the window. But I want to do something like that, like have the GoPro outside the car so you guys can see the whole car as I'm doing a pool, or if I'm racing somebody or something. That would be dope as hell. So I'm gonna try to create my own thing. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do that, but just to give you an update on that. But in the meantime, you're gonna have videos of me doing pools and stuff from that point of view, or from this point of view, until I create my own mount. So besides that, what I have planned for this car, I'm actually ordering today, and today is Monday. I think it's the 30th. I'm ordering for this car front lip canards. I think I'm ordering lowering springs. I don't know what brand I'm gonna go with. I don't know if I'm gonna go EIBACH or I'm gonna go with a different brand, but I'm ordering lowering springs for this car. Not to lower it super a lot, but enough for the wheel gap. Don't see. I don't want to see no wheel gap. And then what else I was gonna get? So I got the front lip, the canards, the lowering springs. There was something else I was gonna get. Now I can't really remember. Front lip, canards, lowering springs. Oh, I was gonna get the overlays for the front of the car. I don't know if you guys see this chrome. I want to take all that chrome off, so I'm gonna buy an overlay that's like gloss black, like it's kind of the same color as the sides over here outside, the gloss black on the side right here and the pillar. I'm gonna get that so the car could be gloss black. I don't know if they sell the moldings on the side that are chrome black. If they do, I'm gonna buy that too today. So that's what I want to buy today, is basically the front lip, the lowering springs, the canards, and the overlays. And then and that's gonna be for now. That's for the outside. Oh, that's what I forgot. That's the main thing I was gonna get. The spoiler. I was gonna get a trunk lid, basically. and it looks dope as fuck. I'm not gonna show you what kind of lip I'm going with, what kind of trunk spoiler I'm going with, what kind of canards I'm going with, what kind of overlays I'm going with. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned, watch my videos, like, subscribe to the channel, and just watch all my videos until I receive all the packages and do install them individually, and then you guys will see how the car's gonna look. But it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna be one of the best looking Accords in Jersey City, because there's already one Accord I've seen already, and it looks phenomenal. Hopefully my car could look as good as his, but his is, the outside is, I don't know if he has any upgrades to the engine, downpipe, and anything. It doesn't sound like it, but the outside looks phenomenal, and hopefully mine will look on par or almost there, because I have to get rims. He had rims, the ones I saw, but rims are going to be the last thing I'm gonna do, because I want to get some lightweight rims on this, and I want to make sure they look good. But that's the update on what I'm planning on doing today with all those mods. Hopefully they come as soon as possible. I don't know when they're going to come. Maybe take a week, so maybe next week you have the videos, but we will see. Also, if you didn't notice, I picked up my mom and I recorded her reaction with the GoPro over there. So that video will be out maybe after this one, or it might be before this one. So if you guys want to see my mom's reaction, be sure to go to my channel, and you're gonna see my mom's reaction. It's gonna be called something like that. And yeah, I wasn't going fast or anything. I don't want you guys thinking that with my kid I'm freaking speeding and shit. No, I don't do that shit. Like, my mom is easy to scare. Anything acceleration wise, she's scared. You could be going 15 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour. As long as you're accelerating from like 5 to like 20, bro, she's scared. That's it. That's all I was doing today. It was like accelerating from a roll to like a 20, and she would get scared already, because this car pulls when you step on it. So yeah, I just wanted to get that cleared out the way. I don't want nobody in the comments like, oh my god, you heard you. No, I'm not risking nobody. I drive by myself the way I want to. Well, when I'm my kid or anybody in my car, I drive safe. I don't play that shit. No, I don't play with nobody's life. If it's me by myself, I'm playing with mine. That's on me. I do whatever I want. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this vlog style type video, and this update. I'm still gonna go for that world record. Just stay tuned. I'm trying to make the car look decent from the outside before I continue to mod the car, because I don't want to have a fast ass car and it still looks stock, you know what I'm saying? And I'm tired of having like 10 Accords around my block, and we all look alike except for my muffler tips. That's like the only thing that stands me out. But anyway, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and follow me on Instagram at ADONISCORTES95. Also, thank you for 500 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys, bro. I really appreciate it. It may be something small to a lot of people, but to me it's something big, because that's like a milestone right there. 500 subscribers. That's 500 people basically subscribe to my channel just to watch my videos. 500. That makes me happy, bro. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Anyways, peace. See you guys in the next one.